What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trucker Doc back with another video. It's me, I'm here. What's up with y'all? Before we go ahead and get started, go ahead and smash that like, comment, and subscribe button. Share the channel, make sure everybody know that you're rocking with Trucker Doc. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about what you need to bring on your mentor's truck, and also some essential things that you need on your truck once you become a solo driver. So we're gonna get right into it. First thing, you just got your CDL, you got assigned a mentor, but you're not sure what to bring on his truck. I'm gonna give you some of what you need. You need a pair of gloves. If I were you, I would buy 2 or 3 pairs of gloves just so you have them, because these gloves wear out here. Next thing, I would definitely say you need a reflective vest. Get you a good reflective vest if your company doesn't provide one for you, because a lot of these shippers and receivers, they require you to wear a safety vest on their property. A lot of these shippers and receivers also require you to wear a mask too. So if you don't have a mask, make sure you invest in getting a mask that's comfortable for you to make you breathe and stuff like that. So another thing you want to get, pack of pens. I would also get a notepad and also a clipboard. The clipboard I have has a calculator on it. I'm an owner op, so I calculate my fuel surcharge and all of that. So that's why I got the one with the calculator. They also have simpler ones. You just need something to have something so you can write on, so you can carry your bills on, stuff like that. Make sure you bring, I would say at least 5 to 7 days worth of clothes. You don't want to pack your mentor's truck with all your clothes. So 5 to 7 days would be good. Do laundry every week. And then I would also a sleeping bag, because you're not gonna want to be laying on the mattresses. Your mentor might not want you to lay on his mattress, stuff like that. Just get a sleeping bag. Well, with Swift Transportation, they actually provide you with a sleeping bag and also a pillow. It's a pretty comfortable pillow. I still have my pillow from a year and a half ago when I first started, and I love it. Memory foam pillow. That's basically all that you need on your mentor's truck. You got to remember, it's not your truck. You're there to learn. I would also say bring some money, because once you go on your mentor's truck, it's going to be at least a week before you get paid. So bring some money to get showers, get some food. If your mentor, my mentor, he shared with me, so my first week. So that's basically everything that you need for your mentor's truck. You don't need to ball out and go get all this stuff and everything. Now, once you get on your own truck, and once you get your own truck, it's your truck. It's gonna be your truck. You can stock it up with what you want. If your truck comes with the fridge, I would definitely utilize that fridge. If it doesn't come with the fridge, I would definitely buy a fridge. Invest in a refrigerator. When I first got my truck didn't have a fridge, so I had bought it was like $150 fridge from Walmart, plugged it right into the inverter, worked perfectly. Got different options. Make sure you get one that's not gonna blow your inverter out as well. You're gonna want a truck GPS. Don't use Apple Maps. Don't use Google Maps. I use Google Maps, but the only time I use Google Maps is to look at where I am going. So when I get my load, I put the address in Google Maps to see how much space I have, so I can anticipate what I have to do. I also look for where the truck entrance is, because a lot of times these GPSs, your truck GPSs, is going to take you to the main entrance instead of the truck entrance. And a lot of times these shippers and receivers, the truck entrance is not the same as the main entrance. So invest in the truck GPS. Make sure it's a truck GPS. I have a Garmin Diesel OTR 740, I believe it is, that I got for my truck. There's also apps, that I found are very helpful, that also has good truck routes that you can use. TDP, which is Truck Driver Power, and also Trucker Path is another good one. I utilize TDP, Truck Driver Power, more than Trucker Path. Just my preference. So if you can't afford a truck GPS, there's also, there's those free apps on your Google Play Store or your Apple Store or your App Store. Another thing you want to do, again, you already have your clipboard, you already have your pins and all the basic necessities. Make sure you get a tire pressure gauge. A tire pressure gauge, guys. Basically, check your tire pressure. You want to do that every day. A lot of people say use a thumper. Thumpers are all right, but to be 100% sure, tire pressure gauge. This number one cause of blowouts is underinflated tires. Another thing you want to do and have is some tools, screwdrivers, wrench, stuff like that. Just get some tools. You never know. You might get some landing gear that's stuck, or a kingpin that's stuck, or tandem locks that's stuck. Just get you some tools. Get you a set of sheets for your bed, your mattress, set it all up. And, for just to enjoy life on the road, depending on how long you're going to be on the road, you might want some TV for your 34s. So buy a TV. You don't have to have one. I have an iPad, I have a TV as well. I rarely use my TV. I use my iPad mostly. That's actually what just popped on. So yeah, get that. I also have, just for basic comfort living, because I stay on the road so long, I have a hotspot to give me internet in my truck. Another thing you want to do is just buy some extra notepads, some extra pens to have. I also have this thing called a seat caddy. Basically, it's just a piece of canvas that you just throw everything in. It has pockets and everything, so that's what I have. But I mean, basically, you have your clothes in here, and as well, stock up on groceries. Don't try to buy a lot of, don't try to go eating at truck stops every day, because that gets expensive. And you're not gonna realize it while you're buying it. Yeah, you have the money for it to buy, but these meals and these fast food places, they add up. That $12, $10 meals added up, especially if you're eating it 2 or 3 times a day. It adds up. So get you some groceries. Spend about $150 every 2 or 3 weeks, to buy you some groceries to stock your food, your fridge up. That's basically, the bare necessities that you need for your truck. Of course, I have more things in my truck because I basically live in my truck, because I'm out on the road so much, about a month to 2 months at a time. I'm actually on my way to home time in Arkansas right now. I'm in Texas currently, but I'm on my way to Arkansas to do my home time. And that'd be the first time I've taken home time in about 2.5 months. Yeah, about 2.5 months. So July was my first time. No, June was my time doing home time before. So, and it's August now. So it's time for me to get some home time, get off the truck, time to relax, kind of reset, get back into the mentality of driving the truck. So basically, I just told you everything that you need to do. Just to recap, guys, for your mentor's truck, do not overpack. 5 to 7 pairs of clothes. Bring some extra socks, some extra underwear. Pen, clipboard, notepad, sleeping bag, pillow for your mentor's truck. That's all you need. Simple. Because you also got to realize you're sharing a space. And this truck is good enough for one person, but when you put 2 people in the truck, you lose out on some space. Now, what to bring on your truck, you still all that other stuff. You get your truck GPS, or you have your truck GPS apps, some more pens, get your sheets, your refrigerator, buy some groceries, stuff like that. Simple stuff that you need to live at home, but just condense it to where however long you decide to be on the truck for your tour or for your run before you take another home time, do with that. So with that, guys, I definitely want to thank you guys for rocking with Trucker Doc. I will be back with more videos. I know I've said that before. I've just been super busy. As you guys know, I am an owner-operator, so I'm steady. I'm constantly moving, constantly running. I have to figure out all this stuff. I'm still learning as an owner-operator. So pretty much got it firmly in hand to where I can come to you guys and start really getting into the meat of stuff and really showing you guys, you know, what it's like to be out here on the road, you know, what you need to do, some more informative videos for you guys. You guys coming into the game, please check out my videos, check out my future videos that are going to be coming out. It's going to be a lot of useful information. You know, I definitely do want to thank you guys for rocking with Trucker Doc. Again, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, share the channel, you know, make this channel grow. You know, this channel is just not, you know, it's to share my journey, but it's also to share my experiences with you guys. So go ahead, share it, like and comment, and also if you're not a subscriber to Trucker Doc channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also the notification bell to let you know when a new video is going to be coming out. I definitely do want to thank you guys for watching. For those of you stuck around the whole 11 minutes, until next time, Trucker Doc is signing out. Peace.